Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that this week we had a heavy sell off on Euro USD. It was a crazy week for the Euro US dollar. We can see that there was a huge red candles on the chart of Euro USD, and the main reason was this chart, the chart of DXY, the chart of US dollar. And if you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD, then you know that this move on the US dollar was coming, because I have talked in detail in my previous videos that dollar would be going up, dollar would take support and will be bouncing again. So everything happened as per our expectation, and right now we can see that dollar is extremely strong, dollar is extremely bullish, and as we all know, it has a correlation with the euro. Whenever dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down, and when dollar goes down, Euro USD goes up. And right now you can clearly see that dollar is standing tall, dollar is extremely strong, but dollar is in the overbought zone as well. So there is a good possibility that after the market opening on Monday, uh, there will be a retracement. There will be a retracement on the US dollar, because as we all know, market never goes up in a straight line or never goes down in a straight line. It always moves in a zigzag pattern. So if you look at the chart of US dollar, we can see that dollar is also following the same zigzag pattern here. So there is a good possibility that after the market opening, dollar will retrace a little so that it can go up again. Just keep in mind that will not be a retrace, that will be just a retracement, not a trend reversal. Okay, so after the retracement on US dollar, it will be going up again towards this resistance. This is the ultimate resistance on the DXY US dollar. So this is the overall setup on the chart of DXY right now. Just keep in mind that in case there is a sharp fall on Monday, the 92.80 will be acting as the support for the US dollar, this level. Okay, otherwise there is a possibility of retracement and going up again. So let's get back to the chart of Euro USD. So you can see that I have removed couple of lines here, and I have added few lines here. So let's try to understand what are these lines and why are they important. So first of all, I would like to talk about the trend of the market. So if you look at the overall trend of Euro USD, then we can see that overall trend of the market seems to be sideways. Or if I just ask you the question, what do you think about the trend of the market, then you can easily see that this is a sideways market. But we need to focus on the present trend of the market right now, and the present trend of the market is very bearish. We can see that sellers are dominating the market right now. And in case of a market condition like this, when we see heavy sell off on a chart or any it can be forex, stock, doesn't matter. Okay, whenever we see a market condition like this, it is always wise to follow the trend of the market. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So Euro USD is in downtrend right now, so it is wise to look for selling opportunities mainly. So the next question is, where is the area of value? If you have watched my other videos, then you have heard me talking about the area of value in hundreds and hundreds of videos. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best spot to execute the order. In a downtrend market like this, we get the best price, the best trading opportunity is always near the resistance, whereas in an uptrend market, you get the best price or the best trading opportunity is always at the support. So in this case, we need to find out the resistance here, and you can see that I have already drawn lines here. So in case there is an uptrend on the market, or market goes up from here, listen to me carefully. In case market goes up from here, then there is a the there is a possibility of market reversing from this particular level, and 1.1810 is the first resistance for the market, and this trend line is the second resistance for the market. At this particular level we have got double resistance. So this level is the most important and the best level to execute the trade for the chart of Euro USD. Okay, because we have got double resistance at this particular level, and this will be the best spot to short the market. But right now we can see that current market price is far away from this level, and the possibility of going to this level is also very less. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is wait for the market to come down and test this level. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know that I have been very much bullish on this level, because this level belongs to the weekly chart, 1.1710. This level belongs to the weekly chart, and to understand the importance of this level, let me take you to the weekly chart. See, previously also, whenever market faced selling pressure from above, this was the level that provided support to the market, and market immediately bounced. But one thing that we need to focus here is that market has been testing this level for quite some time, for last couple of weeks, but still market does not have the required strength to go up, or requires strength to bounce just like the previous times. So which clearly signifies that sellers are very much strong this time, and they are not allowing the market to go up. So in a scenario like this, there is also a possibility of market breaking the support and going down. So my dear friends, if you go for a buy at this level, okay, if you go for a buy at the weekly support of 1.1710, just make sure that you get the confirmation. Okay, you get the confirmation of a price rejection from below. And how you'll get the confirmation? You'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer or a bullish engulfing pattern here at the support. If you see that price is taking support and market is bouncing from here, then only go for buy. Otherwise, there is still a possibility of market breaking the support as well. So until and unless market bounces comfortably, do not execute the order, and most importantly, use proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, and always keep your one eye at the chart of US dollar as well, because the dollar is bullish right now. And if dollar goes up from here, because yes, the possibility of dollar going up and retesting, okay, this um, resistance level is quite high. So in case dollar seriously goes up from here and the same bullishness continues, then obviously Euro USD will be breaking this support. Euro USD will be breaking this support level of weekly 1.1710, and hopefully this low will be the next support for Euro USD. So if it bounces from here, you can go for a buy. And if you see heavy buying on US dollar on Monday, if you find heavy buying on US dollar on Monday, then you can short the market below this level of 1.1710. That's it. And in case market goes up, okay, in the future, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market here. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD according to my analysis. I may be wrong also. If you think that I'm wrong, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 24% retail traders have taken short position and 75% retail traders have taken long position. And as we all know, more than 90% retail traders lose money, and the main reason of losing money is that they fail to follow the trend of the market. In a market condition like this, they have taken long position, and this is the main reason they lose money. So my dear friends, do not do anything impulsive. Take proper trade with analysis and judge the market carefully. Okay, only buy if market bounces, and if dollar gets very bullish on Monday, you can short the market below this level. That's it. And my dear friends, I have launched the Pro Trader program last month where you can be a part of my analysis where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested, then please go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will know everything in detail. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday again.